The camera looks so. That's okay. That's okay. Uh, Welcome. I am just unboxing my Steam controller. It finally arrived in the mail, and let's see. When did I order this thing? I think I put in my reservation at like May, around May 8th, and yeah, I just got it now, so looks cool. Just gonna unbox it, take this out. If I can get it with my gloved hands, I'll just use my knife. There we go. Okay. Was that satisfying? Okay, we'll see what's inside the box. What's in the box? Oh, look at that. So shiny. What are these? Hold on. I can't read from here. I'm just gonna turn it around for me. Okay, it looks like it's just the quick start guide. So there's the Steam controller. Looks so cool. Like this. Oh, let's see. Oh, the buttons feel so nice. Got the trackpad on there. I'm not a tech channel, so I'm not gonna break this open. This is the only one that I get because I tried to look up on Steam if I can order another one, and it looks like I can't. Oh, yeah, there it is. Steam controller. Let's see what else is in the box. I'm just gonna set this aside. Right? Maybe it should be like up front. I don't even know how to. I'm an amateur photographer, videographer. Okay, what is this? Looks like this is the charging puck. It goes behind the Steam controller. I think like this maybe. Oh no, it's the other way. Oh, there it is. It just magnetizes on it. I keep putting it out of the frame. There we go. Okay, that's the charging puck. Very nice. Okay. What else is in the box? Nothing. This the charging cable? Hold on. Let me just take a look. Nope. Nothing else is in the box. Just gonna put that there. Maybe there's something in here. Whoa, there it is. It's the charging cable. I think that's it. And that's it. It looks like everything else is just uh, yeah, the instruction manual that comes in on all technology stuff. Okay. Uh, it looks like the camera's been out of focus the entire time. I wonder if I can fix this. Properties. I don't know how to focus this. Yeah, I think this is the best that you guys are gonna get. Yeah, let's see. Wonder if I can. I just punched my mic. Sorry about that. Can I get closer to the camera? No, it's just damn. It's so out of focus. Should I have used my phone to film this? Okay. Uh, what else is there to do? I guess next step is to play video games on it. I just gotta charge it first. Uh, Yeah, it's pretty nice that they started to give us charging stuff again. Like whoever told the people that made phones that like, hey, you shouldn't give them their charging bricks and shit. They need to uh they need to be put down in Minecraft. Okay, guess that's it. Oh my God, this looks so bad. I wonder how can it looks like shit, to be honest. The preview looks fine, but like I think it's just because the camera is just so stretched. Oh shit, there's a viewer. Hi viewer, I just finished my Steam controller unboxing. There it is. It looks blurry as fuck, but that's the best I can do for now. Okay. Also, you know why they call me sweaty hands? It's like hands are so sweaty now. Oh my God, 3 people? That's crazy. You guys, should I redo the unboxing? Oh shit. Okay, hold on, hold on. Let me put these back. Okay. Here. Hi, welcome. Welcome to my channel. Here's the Steam controller. And there was supposed to be a tab here that you pull, and I pulled it earlier already. But here, let me emulate it for you guys. It was supposed to be like that. Then you just yank it off. That's it. I hope that you can the camera is not giving you guys a headache because I can't afford a new one. They're expensive. Okay, anyways, here's the Steam controller. Wow, looks so cool. Okay, there it is. It's, there's the front part. There's the back part. Oh, also, this is the magnetic puck. You plug it into your PC, and it just attaches to the back magnetically. You got the 4 buttons at the back, and the buttons feel so nice. I think it may be either it's just because it's a new controller or the stuff that they use is really good, but yeah, it feels very nice. And like I said, I'm not a tech channel, so I uh I don't really know what's going on in the internals, but they feel nice. There you go. And let's see. There was nothing in here. Open it up. It's empty. It's just the packaging. But up here, it's the charging cable and the what is it? The maintenance guide and stuff like that. Yeah, that's it. Hold on, I'm just gonna cough. Give me a sec. Okay, I'm back. Uh, hope you guys didn't miss me too much. That's it. Wow, they left as soon as they finished. Awesome. Very successful. Okay. There were 4 people at once. That's crazy.